Yes, Campfire Cooking in Another World, with My Absurd Skill, is officially returning for a second season, and fans won't have to wait too long. The hit Isekai series will premiere its new season in October 2025, once again produced by MAPPA. Returning to the project are director Kiyoshi Matsuda, series composer Michiko Yokote, and character designers Nao Otsu and Tsuyoshi Kuwahara, ensuring the sequel keeps the same heart and flavor as the first season. Adding to the excitement, Ayumu Muraze will join the cast as Dora-chan, a pixie dragon who will accompany Mukuda, Fel, and Sui on their adventures. Several teaser visuals and a trailer have already been released, showcasing the beloved characters and hinting at the cozy yet thrilling journey ahead. With its mix of fantasy, food, and humor, Season 2 is shaping up to be a delicious return.